start off first with one of my biggest obsessions is foundation. So if your foundation is too heavy, too thick, too old, or the wrong color, throw it out and let's start new. You want illuminating. You might want a BB cream, a CC cream, a tinted moisturizer. There are so many different options for you on the market, ladies, that you shouldn't be stuck using a product that's too light, too dark for you, not the right formulation, chunky, heavy, just looking like a mask on your skin. If you see your foundation on your skin, you need to throw that one out and you need to get one that really works with your skin. My second tip to throw out right away out of your makeup bag is a black eyeliner. Now, a black eyeliner has a time and place. I totally understand that. If you love a black eyeliner and it really works for you, then keep on using it. For me, when I do makeup on older women, on myself, I do not use a black eyeliner. I feel like it's too harsh. It brings the eye down. It closes the eye in. It makes them look smaller. I use an alternative, dark chocolate, navy, cactus, mauve. Those are really soft and beautiful and bring out the best in the eye color. In the eye, you can still define. Charcoal's beautiful. It's that you're taking away that harshness. So if you've been lining your eyes the same way you've been lining them since you were in high school and you've been doing the inner water line and you've been doing this heavy darkness, it will be a little bit of a change for you. But this is a beautiful change to take your eyes from looking smaller and tired to looking softer, open, and so beautiful. Loose powder that looks like chalk on the skin. You don't need that. You need to throw that out and use a pressed powder, a translucent powder, triple milled, so it's light on the skin. It is going to mark out the T-zone, any oils, any shine, but it's not going to add weight to the skin. So when you start adding a lot of dusting of loose powder underneath the eyes, you can start getting that cakiness. You can start getting more of a cast to the skin. You can see the powder. So if you're over 50 and you're using a lot of loose powder and you feel like, wow, my skin doesn't look so fresh or illuminating or dewy or glowy, it's because you're using a powder that's basically dulling out the skin. Switch to a pressed powder, use it sparingly, and you're going to see a huge difference. Thick concealer. So I know as we age, we feel like we need more, or oh my gosh, we have so much darkness, we need to cover it up. Well, what happens is when you use thick concealer and you feel like, oh, I'm really covering up, what you're doing is really accentuating what you're trying to cover up. So instead, throw out your thick, heavy concealers and use a color corrector first. So that's going to help with what you're trying to cover up. And then you can use a lighter concealer. You're going to get more of a natural look, more of a softer look to the skin, more youthful, more fresh. So when you use and layer heavier products because you're trying to cover up, you can do an alternative with a color corrector first. I've talked about this a lot on my channel. Color corrector first is really your miracle, like that's the secret sauce in correcting that darkness underneath the eye, which will in turn allow you to use a lighter concealer and less of it. Dark lip liners. So ladies, if you're using a dark lip liner and it looks harsh, it doesn't match your lipstick, it doesn't match your lips, obviously, because it's too dark, throw it out and get a lip liner that matches your lip color. You're going to see a dramatic difference. You're going to be able to line your lips. They're going to be defined. They're going to look beautiful, but very natural. You can make your lips a little bit fuller using the technique that I just showed with the lip lift, because your lip liner is the natural lip color. You're not going to be really defining it and showcasing it with too dark of a lip liner. So these are my tips for you. These are going to dramatically really change your makeup game if you follow these 5 products to throw out in exchange for better alternatives. So until my next video, I'll see you later.